Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to get rid of this. As you can see here on my Gmail, I got tons of email, it says, and this is annoying. It annoys me all the time, so I'm going to show you how to disable this so you don't have any more ridiculous numbers showing on your Gmail icon. So this is the iPhone, right? So let's go ahead and disable this. Alright guys, so as you can see, this is very annoying. I'm sure that a lot of you guys don't want to have this showing on your Gmail icon on your iPhone, right? And you can disable it, but you can still get notification on your notification panel from Gmail. You can get that, right? But you don't want to see this all the time. So to disable it, this is what we're gonna do. You don't go to the Gmail account or the Gmail app. You don't do none of those. So you have to go to notification panel. You go to settings. So when you go to settings, from here you can scroll down to notification. As you can see, notifications, right? You click on notifications, and then you gonna go ahead and look for Gmail, your Gmail app, the icon. So let's scroll down to Gmail, and this is my Gmail. As you can see here, this is a very simple method to get rid of that. And now once we get in here, this is only one single button you need to disable. So all these remain the same unless you want to do further customization. However, this is all you have to do. You see the badges, it is on, it is toggled, so we're gonna go ahead and turn it off. That's all you need to do. And then after that, when I close this window and I go back to my home screen, and this is what you get. So you will no longer get those annoying numbers on your iPhone home screen, right? However, you can still get notifications from your notification panels when you get an email, right? I'm asking you, how many times do you look at the email numbers in here? Most of the time you get a notification, and that's when you know that you have an email, and you open it up and read it. So this is how you get rid of the annoying, ridiculous numbers of email on your Gmail icon on your iPhone. Alright guys, so that was a simple one. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and please don't forget to subscribe and smash the notification bell for more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.